Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 131. This is the last day of Jill Dakuta's week of repping the rep, and she was on the floor of the House standing up for the Jobs Corps program, which DT is dismantling. Troy Carter has today's Democratic Daily Download, which is all about that big bad billionaire bill. But now that the Congressional Budget Office has had a chance to look at it, we have a lot more specific numbers about how it's going to affect people. Jerry Nadler spoke during Pramila Jayapal's Kidnapped and Disappeared, DT's lawless third country disappearances. Other speakers included Becca Balint, Jasmine Crockett, Chuy Garcia, Sylvia Garcia, Glenn Ivey, Jamie Raskin, Deborah Ross, Mary Gay Scanlon, Mark Takano, and Juan Vargas. These people's hearings really do happen like once a day. Raul Ruiz has a different take on Taco. It's not just about DT chickening out on the import tax, but also on protecting veterans and healthcare, things he said he was actually gonna do. The Dads Caucus, the Dem Women's Caucus, and the Mamas Caucus are sounding the alarm on guardrails being removed from infant formula manufacturing. And in this video, Jimmy Gomez and Brittany Pedersen explain it all in a really cool and unique way. Robert Garcia, Delia Ramirez, and Seth Magaziner were in the Homeland Security Committee today talking about Andre Romero and his story. Proof that Democrats have not abandoned him. And finally, Adam Schiff was on the Senate floor pushing back against the Navy ships being renamed. The ones that are currently named for Harvey Milk and Harriet Tubman and John Lewis. And it's absolutely no coincidence that they announced this renaming during Pride Month. So those are just some of today's fighters. Remember, tomorrow's my day off, so start looking for fighters that you want to share tomorrow. If you made it to the end of this post, comment with a baby bottle, because formula should be well regulated. And if you watched or read any of these stories, comment with a haircut, because Andre Romero is going to come home. I don't know when, but it's going to happen. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.